Okay, so Anthropic has been on an absolute tear lately, just shipping feature after feature. Today, we're going to break down their new playbook for developers. We're talking about 3 really critical features that are designed to make building with AI cheaper, faster, and honestly a whole lot smarter. Let's dive in. If you're a developer who's actually building with AI, you know this struggle all too well. You want the brain power of a top-tier model like Claude Opus, right? But the cost, the latency, the complexity, it can be a massive hurdle. You're constantly caught in this tug of war between power, price, and speed. So that's exactly where Anthropic is aiming with their first solution. They're looking right at that price-performance puzzle and are coming in with a new way to get top-tier intelligence without the top-tier price tag. They're calling it the advisor strategy. And the idea here is actually pretty simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Instead of using one giant, expensive model for every single little thing, you create a team. You have a powerful advisor model, that's Opus, giving high-level instructions to a much cheaper, faster executor model, like Sonnet or Haiku, which does most of the actual work. The best way to think about it is like a senior and junior engineer on a software team. Opus is your senior dev. It's not in the trenches writing every line of code. Instead, it's there to review the plan, provide critical feedback, and help out when the junior engineer, that's Sonnet, gets stuck. It's just a really smart, intuitive way to set up your workflow. Now, you might be thinking, hey, isn't this just like subagents? And yeah, it's similar, but there's a really key difference. With a classic subagent setup, the big, expensive model is the orchestrator. It breaks everything down and delegates tasks. With this advisor strategy, the roles are flipped. The smaller, cheaper model, Sonnet, is in the driver's seat. It does the work and it only escalates to the senior advisor when it truly needs help. It's a shift from delegate to escalate, and that changes the whole cost dynamic. So what does this actually get you? Well, the numbers are pretty impressive. When you pair Sonnet with an Opus advisor, the performance on a tricky multilingual benchmark actually goes up by 2%, while the total cost goes down by a whopping 11%. I mean, that's a huge deal in a production environment where those costs can really add up. You're getting better results for less money. And on top of that, you get a speed boost because Sonnet and Haiku are just plain faster than Opus. It's a win-win-win. All right, so let's move on to the next feature, which really builds on this whole theme of efficiency. This one is all about getting rid of wasteful work and making AI agents smarter about how they use their time and, more importantly, your tokens. So picture this. The old way of doing things is called polling. An agent kicks off some background job, right? Like spinning up a dev server. Then, because it has no other way of knowing what's happening, it just has to keep asking, are you done yet? How about now? Is it finished? Over and over again. Every single one of those checks burns tokens and compute cycles. It's just incredibly inefficient. So Anthropic's solution here is something called the monitor tool, and it's pretty slick. It lets the agent basically spin up its own little background script to keep an eye on that long-running task. This script just sits there watching for results or errors or whatever, acting as a lookout. And this leads to the new, much smarter way. The agent kicks off the task, and then it just goes on about its business. It can even start working on other things at the same time. Then, only when the task is actually finished, the monitor tool sends an interrupt, basically a notification, that wakes the agent up and gives it the results. No more endless checking, no more wasted tokens. It saves you money and lets your agent get way more done. And as they put it, it's a big token saver and a great way to move away from polling in the agent loop. It's one of those elegant, simple-sounding features that has a huge impact on making these AI agents practical for real-world use. Okay, last but definitely not least, we have a feature that tackles one of the biggest headaches in AI development, just getting your cool prototype out of the lab and into a real production-ready app. This is all about letting you deploy agents, not get bogged down managing infrastructure. Because let's be real, any developer knows the actual AI logic is often the fun part. The real nightmare is all the grunt work you have to build around it. You've got to figure out secure sandboxing, user authentication, persistent logging, tool execution. The list of boring, complicated infrastructure tasks just goes on. And this is where managed agents come in. You can think of it as agents as a service. You write the core logic, the fun part that makes your agent special, and Anthropic handles the entire production harness around it. All the infrastructure, the security, all that heavy engineering, they take care of it for you. So what does that actually get you? Well, you get a production-grade harness right out of the box, with security and tooling all handled. You get long-running sessions, meaning your agent can work for hours on end, even if you disconnect. And, this is really cool, you get multi-agent coordination, where your agent can actually spin up other agents to tackle complex jobs in parallel. This is a massive, massive time saver. And the price for all this? It's really straightforward. On top of your normal token usage, it's just an extra 8 cents per active session hour. You know, when you think about how much engineering time and complexity that saves you, for a lot of teams, that's an absolute bargain. Okay, so let's zoom out and tie this all together. What does this whole new playbook really mean for you, the developer? This is more than just a few cool features. It really signals a big step towards a more mature, more professional ecosystem for building with AI. Let's just quickly recap. You've got the advisor strategy, which tackles the high cost of great models, and that gives you lower costs and better performance. Then you've got the monitor tool, which gets rid of inefficient polling, saving you tokens, money, and time. And finally, managed agents, which take care of all that infrastructure groundwork, letting you deploy way faster and focus on what actually matters: innovation. See how they all solve a real-world pain point? And that really is the big picture here. These are not just 3 random features thrown over the wall. They form a cohesive toolkit. Each one is a piece of the puzzle designed to help you build AI apps that are cheaper, more efficient, and actually ready for the real world. Anthropic isn't just selling you access to a model, they're building the scaffolding to help you succeed. Which brings us to the final and most important question. With these new tools making things cheaper and easier, the question is no longer, can you build amazing AI agents? It's, what are you going to build next?